All right, so I've got this header panel done, balance, whatever you want to call it. But these little covers right here, they cover the wiper motors. And then you can see where I mounted the stereo. So this used to just be, a flat plate of steel. And I just thought that would be a cool place to put a stereo. So, and then this piece, this greenish, this helps support this header panel. So the stereo, it ain't going nowhere. Nowhere. And you can see, hell yeah, got some reverse light action. Or reverse camera action, sorry, not light. I think that's about it, guys. That's that upper piece. So you can see, I don't know, I think that looks pretty cool. But with that, later.